Hello everyone, in today's video I thought I'd share with you how I fix my hair. It's a no fuss fixing hair. I just want to show you what I do with it, just simple things that I do to my hair. Let's get into it. Okay, one option that I do is I have the headband, and I don't like when my hair is like this flat. So what I do is I just put the headband like that, and then like that, and then I just kind of put it behind my ears. Put it in front, and then now it's a lot better than when it doesn't have the headband. So the headband is very incognito and it raises the hair over here, and so I think that looks a bit cleaner. What do you think? Okay. So once again, if there's no headband, it just looks like this, but you put the headband, kind of gather some hair, make the hair kind of fluffy right there, clear your ears. You can put it behind your ears like that, behind your neck, or put it in front, looks cleaner. You can even do like this, or just one ear. You can even do one side. You can even do both sides behind the neck, or one like that, and you can do like this, or one side. But the idea is you use the headband to clear the hair off of your face, and then just show more of your face. Okay, the next one that I do is I take off the headband. I use small pins, hair pins like this, very small. You see that? It's almost like 1 1/4 inch, and I open it. And as I do, I gather a piece of the hair, twirl it, and I just use it as a headband, and I kind of just tuck it behind the hair. So now it's like tucked like that. I do the same on the other end. I hold the pin while open, and then gather portion of the hair, twirl, twist, put it, tuck it underneath, pin, and then I have a cleaner version of the hair. I don't wear the headband, but it, again, the majority of the hair doesn't get into my face. Just want to tuck it in, hide it, and once again, you can just do it like that, or put your hair behind, tuck it behind your ears, pull it forward, put it on the other side if you want, or do this side. Or you can even tie it ponytail, but the idea is you've got it very clean over here. Okay, and then the last one maybe that I'll share with you, I don't twirl, but I would go to the other side, like I would part on the other side, because now my natural part is on the other side, but by doing this, then I get a volume, and then I gather this, the back on the opposite side, so then it's almost like the volume is gathering here to go to this side, and then there's a side here that's accessing volume. So now you have volume, right? You got a volume here, and you've got a volume there. And then I'm just going to use the headband once again. You see how volume it looks like it's got enough volume, depending on where you want the part. So I would do something like this. So now I've got enough volume, my ear. So I've got a volume happening here, volume happening there, and then because the headband is underneath the hair, I've got volume there, and then it just looks a bit tiny different. You've got a part here, and that's it. Again, I air dried my hair. Tuck, put it here, put it on one side if you want. You can even like tie it, right? In the same manner, so you've got volume happening, right? So you've got this happening right there, like that. Use the hairpin method. So take the hairpin, Okay, and then gather this, twist it, hide it behind the hair, and then you've got a clean kind of tucked in here right there. You can do the same. I'll do the same on the other side. So again, open it, open, and then gather a small part of the hair, twist, tuck it inside behind the hair, and then that's it. So that's my no fuss. Just clean your face, clear your face of your hair, but still show how beautiful your hair is. Techniques for me, just using a very cheap hairband, thin one, and small pins, hairpins. I hope you liked it, guys. If you have any comments, or if you have any suggestions, or if you have any tricks that you want to share, let me know, because I'm always on the lookout for ways to prepare my hair or just make my face look a bit cleaner or brighter or more arranged without spending so much time. Thank you so much for watching. Click the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.